Congrats Lakshmi Narasimha for your success.
Thank you, sir.
What's your education and what's your year of passed out?
I have done my graduation in Geetanjali College of Engineering and Technology in Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Okay.
And my passed out year is 2017.
Okay. What were you doing all these years?
I was alone at my home because of my personal problems in my family.
Okay. Have you got this BRN?
I got a notification through a mail, BRN INFOTECH.
Okay.
Then I have made some contacts to Gopinath sir and came here and verified the details.
Okay.
Everything.
Okay.
Then I have joined directly into this institute.
Okay. Have you ever expected, because being as this much of gap, have you ever expected this much of salary?
Yeah, I didn't expect this much of amount of salary.
Okay. What's the first day of Lakshmi Narasimha till today? What kind of changes you have been observed yourself?
Yeah, I have seen lot many changes in me because of the dedication through the coding which is provided by the our lecturer sir.
Okay.
He dedicates well through our coding.
Okay.
And the practice session as well will be dedicating our practice session for too many days and we'll be getting detailed knowledge.
What is the major differences between normal training and BRN?
The normal training when it comes to the other institute, they'll be training only for 2 to 3 hours per a day and they'll not giving us the practice session as for a system. They'll not provide us every day.
Okay.
Says that when it comes to BRN, we'll be having everyday systems every student has a single system to him.
Okay.
And he'll be training every moment of the day.
Okay.
Whenever he want to come and he can do his practice session.
Okay. Before joining BRN, definitely you must be having some doubt whether you will get a success or not. How did you trust BRN?
Yeah, I have trusted a lot BRN because when it comes to my seniors has been placed a lot in many companies.
Okay.
Why cannot be placed in the other companies? I thought and I trusted it.
Okay. You might have seen a lot of success stories on YouTube and you might be inspired. Now your success story is going to be on YouTube.
Yeah.
How do you feel yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling good for this success story which is going to be posted in the YouTube as well.
Okay. What do you suggest to the people who are looking for good careers?
When it comes to the students who are interested, BRN is the perfect way to choose this path.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for feedback and all the best for the future.
Thank you, sir.